Are you looking for the best video camera? In this video we will look at some of the best video camera on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Kicteck Digital Camera Recorder. Kicteck is renowned for providing affordable video cameras, with this model being a top choice for its budget-friendly and beginner-friendly features. Their camcorder has made to our list of the best video cameras for music videos. It offers a range of user-friendly features that enhance its appeal to beginners. Its 16x digital zoom allows for versatile shooting, while the built-in fill light aids in low light conditions. The camera's anti-shaking and face capture features ensure stable and focused videos. The beauty function and self-timer are additional tools that make this camera suitable for various types of content creation. Notably, it also functions as a webcam, connecting to a computer via USB for video chats or streaming. The pause function is particularly useful, allowing you to continue recording in the same file without needing to start a new one. Number 2. Kimire Digital Camera Recorder. The next product on our list of the best video cameras for music videos is from the brand Kimire. It is recognized for its affordable and user-friendly digital video cameras, and this model upholds that reputation with its budget-friendly nature and versatile features. The camera's 24MP sensor ensures good image quality, while the 16x digital zoom allows for capturing distant subjects. Its 3.0-inch LCD screen, which rotates up to 270 degrees, makes it versatile for both videography and photography, including vlogging. It is equipped with useful features such as anti-shake, face capture, beauty function, and a self-timer, enhancing the shooting experience. Additionally, it can be used as a webcam for video calls or streaming when connected to a computer. The pause function is a convenient feature, allowing users to pause and resume recording in the same file, facilitating easier video editing. Number 3. Sony Digital Camera Recorder. Sony is renowned for its high-quality professional DSLR and video cameras, and the HDR CX405 Handycam is a testament to this, offering a blend of advanced features and user-friendly design. This camcorder stands out with its 50 Mbps XAVCAS 1920x1080 60p recording capability, providing crisp, high-definition videos. The inclusion of both AVCHD and MP4 codecs allows for flexible recording and easy sharing. This model boasts a powerful 30x optical and 60x clear image zoom, backed by a high-quality 26.8mm wide-angle Zeiss lens, making it ideal for capturing detailed scenes and actions from a distance. Number 4. SEREE Digital Camera Recorder. SEREE is known for offering affordable and user-friendly video cameras, and this model stands out for its full HD recording, night vision, and versatility, making it a great option for vloggers and family use. It features a high-quality 24.0MP image sensor that ensures detailed and clear video capture at full HD 1080p resolution and 30 frames per second. The night vision capability of this camcorder allows for shooting in low-light conditions or complete darkness, capturing crisp black and white images and videos. Number 5. ALSONE Digital Camera Recorder. ALSONE is highly regarded in the market for producing reliable and high-quality video cameras, and this model is particularly notable for its combination of functionality and ease of use, making it an ideal choice for both amateurs and experienced content creators. It is designed with a focus on user-friendly features and versatility. Its 8MP CMOS sensor ensures vivid and realistic image capture, making it ideal for various types of video content. The camera boasts both 1080p recording at 30 fps for high-resolution videos and 720p at 60 fps for smoother motion capture.